Hello, everyone. The Mechanicals are having a play date with Baby Truck today.
Oh, how sweet! They're pretending Blue's Teddy is a mechanical helping to fix Baby Truck.
They do love to use their imaginations.
Ah, look, they fixed her. Hurrah!
Skiffling screwdrivers. Baby Truck doesn't look very well at all.
Oh, poor thing. You're overheating.
Bless you! Oh, let's get you back to the garage so I can check you over. I just need to take your temperature with a thermometer, Baby Truck. Don't worry, it won't hurt a bit. Nuts and bolts, that is a high temperature.
Here, Gecko, this water will help to cool Baby Truck's engine.
Thanks, Grandma. But I wonder what's making her feel unwell. Look, Grandma! Now I see what's wrong with Baby Truck. Rust spots! There's nothing to fear. It's a very quick fix. And you'll feel better very soon. I promise. Blue, can you play fixing Teddy again while I fix Baby Truck?
Oh, sweet Blue. He's helping Baby feel more comfortable by pretending his Teddy has spots too. And I'll help the performance with my theatre skills, darling.
We will have you fixed up in no time. Oh, look at the Mechanicals. They're fixing Teddy. What tools do I need? Sander, spray paint. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Using my sander, I can smooth out the rough, rusty spots. A spray of paint will cover the sanded patches and Baby Truck will feel better again. Hello, Mummy Truck. Baby had some rust spots, but don't worry. Grandma and the Mechanicals helped me to fix her up, and she was very brave.
Ah. And with some rest at home, she'll soon be back to her sparkly best.
Baby Truck was sick, but feels better now, thanks to your imaginations. So take a bow.
Oh, I think I need a rest now too. Oh, I don't need fixing.
Goodbye, everyone. Phew. Thank goodness it stopped raining. Now we can get on with our picnic.
Cut is the name and the rescuing is the game. I'm here to keep everyone safe.
Hello, Cat. I'm Gecko, and these are the Mechanicals. We're just having a picnic. Would you like to join us?
Ooh, do you have any tuna sandwiches?
I think so. Are there any left, Tilly? Tilly! I'm coming! Oh, no! It's too muddy! Tilly's skidding away!
Vamos, Helena! Someone needs rescuing! It won't hook!
Oh! Hang on, Tilly! Keep it steady, Blue!
Gecko, use the umbrella.
Aha!
Oh.
Phew! That was close. Ah, there you go, Tilly.
We make a good team, Gecko.
We do. Thanks for the help, Cat. Welcome back to Gecko's garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, Tilly Tow Truck! It's Eric, the excavator! I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar track. Oh, Blue, I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach! And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We've replaced Trevor's old wheels with a new set. His back tyres are huge with deep tread to help grip in the mud. And as a thank you, Trevor's made us a corn maze to play in.
Hop it, Frog. I'm going first.
Good luck, Mr. Weasel. Don't get lost. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Let's find our way through the maze.
Huh? No way through. This maze is too hard, and now it's raining. Oh, yuck.
Oops, not this way, Mex. Let's turn another way.
Ah, this maze is broken. We have to beat Gecko. Let's trim this trip. Mazes are so easy. Out of the way, you tinkering toad!
Oh no! The rain has made it muddy, and Sly is stuck. Flipping screwdrivers, so is Tilly.
I'll be stuck in this miserable, muddy maze forever!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. There's always hope. I have an idea. Come in, Cat.
Hola, Gecko.
We're stuck in the crop maze and need Trevor's old wheels to help Tilly grip in the mud.
No problema, Gecko. I can use Helena's grabbing arm to help. Did somebody order 2 wheels and an axle?
Thanks, Cat. Now it's up to us. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's mixing time. We'll replace Tilly's wheels with Trevor's old set, so she can grip on ground that's muddy and wet. A longer axle is what Tilly requires for 2 big wheels with giant tyres. With her new wheels, we could easily factor that Tilly the tow truck is now Tilly the tractor!
Wait for me!
It's working. Now let me guide you out of here. Now turn left. Almost there. Now right.
did it! Ah, well done, everyone.
But I'll be the winner!
Mummy.
Teamwork's the winner today. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Vehicle Olympics! There are so many exciting events like Loop Jump! Go Tilly! And gymnastics! And now the 100-meter race is about to begin!
With this new turbo booster, we can't lose, Sly. That gold medal is as good as mine. I mean ours.
On your marks, set,
Wobbling whiskers come back, Sly. You're going the wrong way. Uh-oh.
well, Mr. Weasel, you won!
And you don't even have any wheels.
Sly's out of control, Gecko, I need help!
Pardon?
I cheated, Gecko. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to win a medal, so I attached a turbo booster to Sly, but now he's out of control. Please.
I need to get close to Sly to turn off that booster. But how? Aha! We'll save Sly with help from Eric, the discus throwing digger! Make me fly to Sly, please, Eric!
Oh, careful, Gecko. Bullseye, Gecko!
I've got to remove this booster! The tool I need is a screwdriver! Gecko's garage, time to fix! Left for looser, and no more booster!
No! Sly, you're okay! Thank you, Gecko.
I hope this has been a lesson for you, Mr. Weasel.
I promise I'll never cheat again. Probably.
And a gold medal to Eric for the longest throw! They're so shiny.
I would like to present a gold medal to Gecko for saving Sly.
That must have hurt.
Can you save me, please, Gecko?
Ah, sure, Mr. Weasel. Goodbye, everyone.
All right, Mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please?
Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Oh, thanks, Mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. OK, Max. Give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.
Yuck!
Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic. But Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. All right, Baby Truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye!
Welcome to the big race, where I, Wilbur T. Weasel, will prove I'm the fastest mechanic in town in my turbo-powered monster truck.
It's okay, Tilly. We don't need a turbo engine to win. You've never let me down.
Right, Gecko. The race starts when the light turns green. Ready? Steady? Go!
Go, Tilly Tow Truck.
I'm looking forward to getting my shiny winner's medal. It'll match my shiny watch.
That's it, Tilly. Nice and steady.
Activate turbo power.
Can't stop! We're racing to the rescue!
Oh, we're sinking. Oh, hell.
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll get you out of there fast.
I suppose you did win fair and square, but next time I'll be the winner. Oh.
Race back for more fun at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello, Max. Go, Mechanicals. Yellow! No, gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, Blue and Red. Hey. Spinning screwdrivers! Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Oh. Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, Baby Truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye!
And then I saw it, coming out of the dark with great glowing eyes and huge wobbly wheels. It was the ghost truck!
Oh, it's okay, Mechanicals. It's just a story. There's no such thing as ghosts. Are there, Grandma?
Of course not. But scary stories are so much fun.
I wonder where Tilly's got to with those marshmallows. Just a few more twigs for the fire, please, Yellow.
Yellow?
A ghost? It can't be! Marshmallows?
Ghost marshmallows? That's new.
We don't need to be afraid or act all silly because it's not a ghost. It's our friend Tilly.
It was a dark, stormy night.
No more ghost stories, Grandma.
All right, no ghosts. But let me tell you about the creepy were-kangaroo of Cowabunga Canyon.
Hello, everyone. The Mechanicals are having a play date with Barry and Carrie. Oops! Are you both okay? Barry and Carrie have dented their bumpers.
That was quite some boo-boo.
Oh, don't worry, you two. We'll soon get you both mended.
But you can only fix one bus at a time, Gecko. Why don't I repair Barry's bumper? Remember, every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1.
Are you sure, Barry? Well, OK then. I'll get to work on Carrie. Good luck, Barry.
Luck? Oh, you want to make it a competition? Sure. Whoever does the best job is the winner. Ready? Go!
How do you like your new bumper, Carrie?
You call that a bumper? Check this out!
Wow! Well done, Mr. Weasel. Barry's bumper is actually really cool.
I'm the winner! I'm the best!
This bumper's been glued on.
Yes! But it looked good.
It did. Hey, let's fix Barry together and make a bumper for Carrie.
Really? I mean, sure. I suppose.
What tools do we need?
Huh?
Drill! Polish! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Okay, Mr. Weasel. To fix the bumper on right, use a drill to fasten the bolts tight. It's most important to be safe when bumping, but you can also be safe when the party is pumping. That's right, Mr. Weasel. A quick buff to shine. Fixing together has worked out just fine.
How about a dancing competition then? I'm sure to win that.
You're wrong. Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, hello everyone. We're playing baseball. Dandy's team are batting and we're fielding. I'm up to pitch.
Come on, throw it!
Sorry, Dandy. Here it comes.
Ball! I'll get it!
Don't chase the ball yet, Dandy. You have to run round the bases.
Oh, yeah!
Home run! Great shot, Dandy. Your team made a big score. Now it's our turn to bat and your turn to field.
I'm a better fielder than a pitcher anyways.
Great shot, Blue! Yellow, batter up! Nice, Yellow!
I got it! Here I come!
Quick, Blue! Get to third base before Dandy or you're toast! Well done, Blue! But be careful, OK? My turn to step up to the plate.
Dandy dive!
Phew, that was close. Run, Mex! Nuts and bolts! Blue's wheel has come loose, so he can't run to home base. Oh, no! I can't run to Blue or I'll run Yellow out. We need to help Blue while Dandy's team are busy. Get ready to take a catch, Yellow, because you are going to fix Blue's wheel. The tool you need is a screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix!
Yes, Yellow. Now put the screw back in and use the screwdriver to tighten it. Righty-tighty, remember? Well done, Mex. No time to celebrate. You have to make it home before Dandy gets me out. Run!
Dandy dive!
Made it. Well done, everyone. Great game. Who fancies a rematch? But we may have to get our ball back first. Goodbye, everyone.